in a parking lot so massive it has its own weather system. We begin another episode of Dave Eats, the worst food review channel on YouTube. Behind the wheel is Big Dave, a man whose snack breaks require zoning permits and whose metabolism gave up sometime in 2007. Today, we're rolling into Pinery Market. Not for the pasta and the cheese wheel spot. That one's still bubbling in the background. But because Dave ran into the man behind Gabe's Rustic oven. We filmed with him before at his London location, and now he's got something to say. What is it? Even Dave doesn't know. But if it involves food, you know he's already halfway convinced and fully parked. Pinery Market has been a Grand Bend tradition for over 55 years. Every Sunday, over 200 vendors pack this shaded outdoor space with antiques, handmade goods, street food, and live music. It's part flea market, part festival, and all chaos in the best way.
Hey, is this pizza any good here or what? Cash only? What's going on?
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Reception here.
Huh?
There's no reception here.
No reception?
No, we can't get the debit to work, so.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah. How you doing?
Good.
Huh?
What's that?
How you doing? You doing good?
I'm doing good. You?
Good. You finally came?
I did.
Oh, I was
Oh, yeah?
it's a pie.
Yeah, probably.
I haven't put it on the menu yet.
No way.
After a quick chat with Shano, the owner of Gabe's Rustic Oven, Dave got invited to their London spot to be the first to try a new menu item. Naturally, he said yes. Because if there's one thing Dave loves more than pizza, it's being first in line for it. The slice afterward? Classic Gabe's, ridiculously good. Now it's Monday and Dave's rolling toward Gabe's, stomach empty, expectations high.
All right, here we are. Gabe's Rustic Oven. I know, we've been here before a couple of times. I know, we had wings, we had pizza here. But Gabe says he has something new for us to try when we saw him at the Pinery. So, let's go check this out.
Hey, buddy, how are you?
Gabe, what's going on?
How much, dude? How was your slice yesterday?
It was great.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It was awesome.
That's awesome.
But I'm really interested to see what you got.
Yeah, we got this new thing called a pizza pie. I think
Okay.
that's what we're gonna name it. So I'll be happy to make it for you. There you go, buddy.
Awesome.
There's a plate for you.
That's an awful lot for one guy, isn't it?
It is.
This should be a food challenge.
I think so. Yeah, let's see what you can do.
Thanks, man. It looks
You're
great.
welcome. Enjoy it.
All right. Let's get a couple pictures of this. All right, Big Dave, by the slice. So we're here at Gabe's Rustic Oven. Yeah, I know we were just at the Pinery and saw him. This is his new... God, did we come up with a name for this, Gabe?
Pizza pie.
Pizza pie. So it's a pizza with two crusts, basically. Of course, you saw it being made. You know it was cooked in a proper stone oven. None of this conveyor belt crap here. It looks different. Is it, I don't know, a quesadilla? An Italian quesadilla? I don't know, but let's take a bite. This thing is flaming hot. Lots of cheese pull. Of course, the toppings are fresh, they're delicious. The sauce is also delicious. We already know this, but I was a little worried about two crusts. I wasn't sure, but these things are super thin and crispy. They're actually incredibly delicious. The pizza's sealed quite well around the edge, so it really didn't escape. The brown was good. God. I don't know if I'd order it over a regular pizza, but I might, because it really is delicious. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be out yet by the time this video comes out or not, but if it's not out, this thing's going to be out any day. We'll try to put the pricing down. I'm not sure if he's come up with that yet. This only comes in one size, this size you see here. So tell us what you think. What do you think of this? Is this something you'd eat? Let us know in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is By the Slice.
Big Dave!